The Klarity AirFlow Oven, Specifications and Installation. The Klarity AirFlow Oven is the industry leader for heating thermoplastic devices for radiation therapy. Launched in 2014, the Klarity AirFlow Oven meets today's need for dry heat systems to help combat cross-contamination and other bacterial risks from water baths. The airflow oven can be used to heat all standard thermoplastics, including thermoplastic masks from Klarity and other manufacturers, Klarity Cushions, and bolus, including bolus pellets. The inner dimensions are 27 by 19 by 10.5 inches. The outer dimensions are 31.5 by 33 by 16 inches. The oven weighs 79 pounds. The airflow oven is automatically set to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which is our recommended heating temperature for all thermoplastics. The oven can also be manually adjusted and has a maximum temperature of 212 degrees Fahrenheit. It has 120 volts, uses 13 amps, and uses a standard NEMA S20 plug. There are 3 main options for installing your oven. As long as all 4 feet are evenly supported, you can use any existing counter or cart. We offer the airflow counter mount, which can be attached to your regular counter. We also offer the airflow oven cart, which can be wheeled anywhere you need. Wherever you place your oven, make sure you can access the sides and back of the oven if needed. The oven comes securely packaged in a cardboard box and is shipped on a pallet. A loading dock is needed for oven delivery, but we can offer a white glove service if you do not have a loading dock. Please contact your sales representative for more information. Please refer to the KEL 1300 instruction manual for full instructions. For questions, quotes, or more details, please find us at klaritymedical.com/ovens.